The following video will take you through the sublimation process and how to achieve optimal results on Chromolux HD metal prints. Sublimation is the process of printing dye-based inks into a transfer paper, applying heat and pressure, and infusing those dyes into the coating of the Chromolux panel. This will literally send the image into the coating, not on it, and is what makes Chromolux metal prints so durable, vibrant, and allows for the three-dimensional HD look photographers love. You can achieve quality results on Chromolux panels using the following recipe: a professional sublimation printer, professional graphic software, RIP software to ensure quality ink coverage and consistent color output, a spectral photometer for creating profiles, sublimation paper, a heavyweight paper made specifically for hard surface sublimation, a professional heat press, poly fabric to wick away moisture and provide consistent heat distribution, protective paper for bottom platen to stop the transfer of ink from contaminating other surfaces. Once you have set up your system and are ready to start, size your image according to the piece you'll be sublimating on. The heat will cause the metal to expand during the process, so you will want to add a 0.2 inch or 0.5 centimeter bleed to ensure you completely cover the panel. Check your printer for any clogged nozzles before printing and then send your file to print on the sublimation transfer paper. Take the Chromolux panel you plan to sublimate and remove the protective film attached. Gloss material will have a clear film, while matte will be covered in a light blue film. Wipe your panel clean of any dust or dirt particles. Use a microfiber cloth and compressed air to completely rid the surface of anything that may block the transfer of ink. You may also use any type of multi-purpose cleaner for this process. It is important to also clean the surface of your transfer for the same reasons as you would clean the panel. Spread the transfer on a flat surface and clean using compressed air. Place your clean panel, coated side down, on the printed transfer paper. Center the panel on the image and tape into place with heat tape. Panels can be taped along the longest sides. Make sure the bottom platen of your heat press has a piece of protective paper covering the pad and place the panel into the press coated side or image side up. Cover with the poly fabric. The fabric can either be added each time or attached to the platen. Make sure you have your heat press set to the appropriate setting for temperature, time, and pressure according to the size and substrate you are sublimating. Close the press and let the sublimation process begin. Once the panel has been pressed, remove the transfer paper as fast as possible and allow the panel to remain in place for a minute while it cools. Colors will change and get deeper, warmer, until the panel has reached room temperature. Once the panel is cooled down, inspect your print to make sure you achieved quality, consistent results. If needed, you can clean the panel to remove any possible residue from the transfer paper. The process is now complete and you are ready to present your work. Chromolux HD metal photo panels, true to your vision.